Let's talk about edit masks. If you've ever worked with Microsoft Access or Microsoft Excel, it is possible to generate an edit mask or an input mask to validate not the fields themselves, but the characters within the fields. For example, a social insurance number. Of course, it's 3 characters, i.e. numeric characters, a hyphen, 3 more, a hyphen, and 3 more. So we can use similar elements here to validate and then filter the results of a report. Now, to begin with, we do have a report here, and let's preview this. And you can see within here we have a variety of countries. So the goal here is to bring out or extract just those where it's USA. So a 2-digit region, because that represents the state. Whereas in Canada, it would be a 3-character string for province. So let's go ahead and let's do this. And we're going to do this as a parameter. So off to the right-hand side, we're going to right-click. We're going to say new. We're going to call it region. And is it a string? And the list of values here. It is going to be left that way, but here in the value options at the very bottom, we can select values down here, and there's the edit mask value. Now in there, we're going to type in 2 L's, which actually means 2-character strings, text strings. And we're just going to say OK to that. Now, maximum length, minimum length, it's prompting us for. In this particular version, it would prefer that you type that in instead of just LL. I am using the Crystal Reports 2020 version. Now, I am going to bring this in here, and we're going to use the Select Expert to bring this into fruition. So Select Expert, and we're going to pick not customer country. We're actually going to delete that. We're going to do this on region. So let's pick region, and the region has to equal. Now you will notice there's the region, and the only thing that's in there is the 2-character limitation. And I'm going to say OK. Now let's go back and actually look at that formula. So it's quite simple. So let's test it. Let's run or preview this report. And we're going to prompt for new values. And this prompt has an edit mask. Okay, so let's type in M2. So M2 is a numeric and alphanumeric string. And it says no, that doesn't work with the 2. So can we type in, let's say, MA? So 2 alpha characters. And it does come up with MA. Now let's do that again. And now it does say LL. So if we did ONT, it has a limit. And it does tell us what's going on here. So if we did CA, we get California. And that's the Crystal Reports edit masks.